Good evening, friends. Today, I was thinking about the situation where people say that Mac OS cannot be booted with proper performance on a Windows laptop. So, today we will try to demonstrate that this is not true. We will try to demonstrate that Mac OS can achieve native performance, or I should say good performance on a Windows laptop also. The reason because of which macOS does not achieve native performance on a Windows laptop is the overhead which macOS has to undergo before it starts running on a Windows laptop. That overhead can be reduced if optimized system settings are used. Uh, the settings which we are using on this system are: number one, we are using Linux distribution Arch Linux. We are using the desktop environment GNOME, and we are using quick emulation, which is popularly known as QEMU. Uh, so, what this ensures is that simply the hardware of the laptop is simply running Linux and a virtual machine immediately above Linux. Since Arch Linux is a command line interface Linux with simply the desktop environment running over it, therefore it is fairly lightweight, so it does not cause uh, any significant resource usage. And the virtual machine, the underlying virtual machine is also completely command line interface based. So what we have ensured is that above the computer hardware, above the laptop hardware, simply command line interface is running, and immediately after that the Mac OS is running, right? So simple, there are simply three layers in function: the laptop hardware immediately running over it, uh, or rather I should sequence it again: the laptop hardware, the command line immediately running over it, and the Mac OS immediately running above the command line. So this ensures that Mac OS simply has a command line between itself and the laptop hardware. Since the laptop hardware and the Mac OS only have command line between them, therefore Mac OS achieves almost natural latency, almost native latency, almost zero latency on a Windows laptop hardware. So let us demonstrate how Mac OS achieves almost zero latency on a Windows laptop. For that, let me open the applications which are currently installed on this system. See this, the quick GUI. Let's click on it. So the quick GUI is a graphical user interface of the quick emulation, or the QEMU, right? So it helps us create virtual machines. Let us see if we have already created the virtual machine. As you can see, Mac OS Tahoe virtual machine has already been created. Let us run it. Let us make it full screen by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus F. As you can see, the interface is an exact copy of the Mac OS interface with the 4 hard drives visible. Let us boot the Tahoe hard drive. Press enter. So today we demonstrate that the belief which is being held that after the M series of processors which have been released by Apple, macOS can no longer be run on a Windows laptop. Today, this video demonstrates that macOS was successfully run on Windows laptops, is successfully running on a Windows laptop as you can see in this video, and will continue to run on Windows laptops as long as people like me exist. Thank you for watching this video.